Chelsea, my friend, as you've seen in like 3 or 4 videos or something, or like 2, and we have slime things here. We just made 4 slimes. She made 5, I made 4, and we're gonna be putting them all in here and making a slime smoothie. So let's go. Yeah, you start with your...
So the first slime we're putting in is this blue fluffy slime that feels like butter slime.
And it's your favorite, isn't it?
It's my favorite one out of all the ones I've made.
There we go. What should I'm adding my favorite last. I'm going to add this one that looks like vomit. So it has like gold glitter in it. Can't really see, but it has gold glitter in it. So, right. See, that's it. So I feel bad.
The one I'm putting in is my green, just normal slime with a bit of foaming gel, is it?
Yeah.
It's a bit overactivated, but it's okay.
Okay, so next, we were trying to make, like, we've never made clear slime before.
Like I made a yellow and...
I can't get it up, it's not that good. I made an orange one, it's stretchy. Okay.
Mine is not stretchy, mine just rips.
That looks weird.
I've got this yellow clear slime. And it's a bit overactivated, but it still stretches a bit.
And now we have my blue one that I made, fluffy, and I did add some shaving cream and some gel as well. Wait. Stick.
Next one I'll be doing is this orange clear one that is not stretchy at all and it feels like rubber.
It's like my other one.
Yeah, we've never made clear slime before and we attempted to, but it didn't really work.
Okay, now it's my last one and her last one. So we both made pink ones. This is my favorite. It's like a glossy one. I really like it. It's good perks, but okay. I'm making like a...
The last one I made is
it's a bit lighter pink than
another
mine.
pink one. It's a bit lighter, but it's a special slime glue that we got from Riot.
$10.
Yeah. And it's a bit stiff, but over time it will get stretchier.
Yeah.
Do you want to mix it?
Okay, so wait, let's show it.
Show it before.
That's it.
Before.
Okay, so now we're gonna mix it and we're gonna show you it when we're done. Okay, so far we haven't mixed it fully, but it looks like
it's a greeny blue
like
color.
Yeah, well, it's like
and it's
blue,
got highlights
like,
in it.
This is it. Oh, it's very. Oh, that's big. Wow,
it's really clicky.
Pink bit.
It's really heavy.
Oh, there's a pink bit. My favorite slime. Okay, so we haven't mixed it fully, but like the green overtook with one green. I don't know how, but anyways,
we're gonna add some lotion to
so
it now.
We're gonna add lotion.
We're using this Kmart one. It actually works really well.
Do you want me to mix it? Oh, it's a big slime. That's the lotion. Well, hand cream.
Sorry about the glare from the sun. It's not very good, so I'm trying to block it.
It's like, it goes stringy for a teeny bit. Like,
yeah.
Ew, that's
Can I feel it?
Look. Ew.
I'll mix it on here.
Oh, it's gonna
the lotion is really good.
It's like okay.
I think we should put some food coloring in it.
Yeah.
Did you put that? What color? I think we should do pink.
Pink. Okay, guys, I'll be back in a second.
So it's quite stretchy. We're gonna add some food coloring to it to make it a better color because it's got an ugly color. I'll just put some lotion in quickly and mix it in. I'll just mix this in first.
Who's mixing the dying.
You can. Because I'm doing all the lotion.
Just move this way. Place mine in the middle. I'm gonna make like a little.
Oh my god. I'll mix that in quickly.
Oh, can I just like?
That won't work. Flynn, you're gonna get it everywhere.
Okay, so now we're gonna put some more on.
That's enough for now. And this is how I torture him for getting my hands all red from a
Oh, I don't want to
food
touch that.
coloring
There's a bubble.
explosion.
There's a red bubble. Oh my god, I see red coming through.
I'll get you some paper towel
Like,
to wipe your hands.
like as soon as it gets on me, be like, oh my god, it's like gonna spill.
Then just mix it. Mix this if you get it on your hands.
It's already on, so why matter?
Sorry about the paper towel, but we need to put this down.
And it looks like blood, like seeping through the slime. I'm just gonna pick it up.
I'll mix it in a bit.
Ow, scratch myself.
This may be quite a long process.
Yep.
Because it's a
turning
horrible
pinkish.
green and we have to turn it red or pink. And we're just using these ones. Tip, don't use the ones where they're screw-on lids because you get them all over your hands. These ones are drops. Yeah. Do you want me to put some more in?
Wait, it's turning pinkish. I have to make...
I'll put some more in. Flynn, I'll put some more in.
Okay.
Wait, we need to push it down
Did I
first.
touch something? Why is there water on it?
It's borax,
Oh.
so it's fine. Or it's maybe from my hands, but that doesn't do anything. You can see the red?
Oh god, there's the bubble.
Oh, it looks like blood.
I know, that's what I said.
Do you care if you get your hands red? Because my hands are already
Not
red.
really.
And it's the weekend, so.
Yeah. Long weekend.
It's 4-day weekend for me.
3-day for me. Because we had today off.
That was really smart. Okay, mix that in. And then we can maybe put some more lotion in.
And then we'll need a bit more red before that.
No, and then we can, it will be easier to mix after we put some more lotion in. Okay, guys, so we just put some more lotion and food
And
colouring in,
food
and it's like
colouring.
a beige kind of colour.
It's like a beige brown. Great. Guys. Oh my god. Oh god. There's like lotion pockets, and but then there's food coloring pockets, and you don't know which one it is. Until we...
Oh! Okay, kind of mix that in. I'll put some more lotion in.
Right, put it in. And now we mix.
Your hands are gonna be red. Your mum's not gonna be happy.
I don't care.
It's full of fun. Wait.
Oh, it's turning red.
Yes. Don't we want it to be like pink?
Yeah.
Because red's gonna take all this food colouring.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, it's so pretty. It's like a
Yeah,
rose
yeah.
gold now.
Oh yeah.
It looks like you can't really see it, but it's like rose gold off camera. Let's see.
Wait, add a bit more. It's like a brown rose gold.
And I'll add some lotion.
I'm like, it's a brown rose gold.
One. I think that's almost enough lotion.
Well, I'm gonna like pocket. Oh god, there's the pocket. Guys.
Let me see your hands. Your hands aren't bad at all compared to mine.
Because I'm just mixing it. But once the pocket
When you're more
pops,
cautious, when you're more cautious, you actually get more food colouring on you.
yeah.
Because in
'Cause
the
you're
end,
like,
when you're just
what?
playing with
What?
it, it will be all
Yeah.
over your hands.
Yeah. I'm just gonna. Oh, there's the pocket. Well, I didn't really see it pop.
Do you want some more food colouring?
In a second.
I'll mix it. I want to mix it for a little bit.
Okay. My hands seem fine.
It actually feels. I wish you guys could feel it. It feels awesome. It's like fluffy, buttery kind of. Even though we didn't put any clay in, did we? Is that what it feels like to you?
I just want instant snow in it. Yeah, it's like a
It's like a rose gold now.
no, it's like a beige.
It's kind of rose gold.
It's like a beige.
I'll mix it
red.
this time.
Okay.
I'll mix it. I found the pocket and it's gonna bleed through any second.
Oh, there's the pocket, guys.
You
Right.
can mix it.
The pocket's like, there it is.
There it is. Okay, I'll put this over
Oh
it.
god. Okay, there's a bit of pocket there too. So now I'm gonna. Oh yeah. You like mix it on the table, and I just mix it like off the place.
Let me feel. I'll do it again. Mixing. It's actually really clicky.
Mm. No, wait. I need to do something quickly.
I'll do it again.
Oh my god, I need to.
Do you want to put some more food coloring in it?
Just wait. Yeah, in a second. Oh my god, I can see the sparkles from mine. Oh. Can I mix this time?
Yeah, you're mixing. I'm not mixing. That should be enough.
Yay. Oh, there's the pocket.
When you're done mixing,
Oh.
I'll mix it a bit after you're done mixing all the food coloring.
Wait, can I stretch it once I mix it
Yeah.
quickly so I can hold the pocket? Imagine it dyes the placemat. Oh.
It doesn't matter. I only use it for fun. No one uses it.
This is gonna be a long process. Okay guys, so this is how it turned out. It's really nice.
It's a rose gold colour.
Yeah, it's like a rose gold, I think, yeah. And yeah, so that's gonna be it for this video. Make sure you like, share, and comment down below a suggestion of this video. Bye!